In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a workflow in n8n, whether you're using n8n Cloud or a self-hosted n8n instance. This process is a straightforward way to save time and effort by reusing a workflow setup you already have. So, let's get started and walk through this task step by step. First, you'll need to access your n8n environment. This environment can be either n8n Cloud or your self-hosted instance. Once there, proceed to log in using your credentials. It's important to ensure you're fully logged in so you have access to all your workflows and their various functionalities. Once you've logged in, your next step is to head over to the Workflows page. To do this, navigate to the left sidebar of your screen. Here you'll find various options, but our interest lies in the option labeled Workflows. A simple click on this option will lift you into the page where all your managed workflows are housed. This interface is designed to make your workflow management smooth and seamless. With the Workflows page open before you, search for the particular workflow you'd like to duplicate. Depending on how many workflows you have, you might need to scroll a bit or use any search functionality provided to find it quickly. Now, look closely at the right side of the workflows entry in the list. You'll notice a three-dot menu icon. This icon typically indicates additional options linked to each workflow item. Clicking this three-dot menu is your gateway to more detailed actions for the workflow. Carefully scan through the menu that pops up after your click. Among several actions, one of the options you'll find there is labeled Duplicate. Select this option. This might sound straightforward, but bear in mind that this is precisely where n8n starts to work its magic in duplicating the workflow in question. After clicking Duplicate, a confirmation dialog box will spring up on your screen. This is a precautionary step to ensure no unintentional duplications occur. Within this dialog, you'll need to confirm that duplication is indeed what you want. Go ahead and click Duplicate once again in this dialog box. Once confirmed, n8n gets to work creating a copy of your workflow. It's not just duplicating the workflow superficially. The duplication process ensures that all nodes, connections, and various settings involved in the original workflow are meticulously copied over to the new one. When you see it, it'll be an exact replica ready for you to tweak as needed or to put to use right away. Congratulations, you've successfully duplicated a workflow in n8n with ease. This functionality is perfect for creating backup copies or for modifying one version while keeping the original intact. Now you can continue automating without having to reinvent the wheel each time. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!